Glean AI review. Is it legit or a scam? Let's get started. So, Glean AI is an AI-driven enterprise search platform founded in 2019 by former Google engineers. It aggregates data from workplace tools and enabling personalized, secure, natural language search across an organization's system. It also offers generative capabilities like the AI-powered answers, task suggestions, and soon autonomous task execution agents. And it's backed by major funding rounds. So why is it legit and valuable? Well, it has an enterprise adoption, which is used by many companies like Super.com. They also have time savings, security and compliance, modern features, and a lot of positive reviews. However, there are some points to consider, like the focus on search and not on the creation. They also are still on the early stage, generative AI, so chat features and AI assistants are still promising and on work progress. And the learning curve can be hard to learn. And they also have a potential over reliance. So, yes, Glean AI is a legitimate and powerful tool for enterprise knowledge management backed by high profile clients, strong performance metrics, and deep investment.